Good morning, friends. Yesterday, I think very simple trade was there. If we had observed clearly in the opening, it was a open equals high. We just show you the chart. So the opening was 118 lakhs 43,000. Sorry, 432.35, and the high also was 18,432. Same with Bank Nifty. It was 44,144.15. Exactly from the top, the markets has started falling down, and Nifty, in fact, has created a kind of a bearish engulfing. So, what is that we are in store for next for today is what we would like to know. Because uh, what we can observe is even the last, I think, what do you say, 2 hours, sorry, 1 hour, Nifty has drifted down very badly from 18,450. It is moved down to 18,270, and we were able to capture this move in Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty as well. But of course, Bank Nifty, to be very frank, has started falling right from 2 o'clock. Uh, Initially in the morning, uh, we took put, but I think it moved very fast in Fin Nifty, and we were able to make some few points. But however, when we tried to take Bank Nifty, it hit our trailing stop loss, and in fact, we tried a couple of times. It did the same. Later, we saw a clear upside, and we took 43,800 at around 9:45, exactly here, and this went almost. We were able to gain about 680 points and more. So we saw this pattern and we immediately captured this move. Post that, we mentioned that market is range bound for now and keep trailing SL for every trade. So the 43,800 from 360 went to, I think, 346 or 350. Manappuram, we were looking to go long. However, this did not give entry. And then we also tried to trade on 43,800 at 390. This went to 415 and again immediately came down. So we waited, and around one, I think around exactly 3 o'clock, we took this trade of 44,200, 340. This I think it went around 410, and Fin Nifty put 19,500 put from 35, it went to almost 70. So good profitable day with one stop loss in the opening. And if who are traded in Nifty, I'm sure would have been able to capture this extremely quick or quick put side, which I'm sure many wouldn't have missed this. So what is in market in store? Uh, are we going to see more down, or we are going to see the upside? The market has been moving up quite some time. If you see, it's at uh, good trend line support. It doesn't mean that this has to take support and move up. So it definitely, the big players know that we are looking to buy here, and they would definitely try to move it down also. However, whether they move it immediately or they retrace it or open a gap down is something which we need to see today in the opening hours of today. Uh, some of the stock picks I have, I will share those. Uh, Definitely, if somebody is holding puts, I think they should see some profit here today and immediately possibly trail the stop loss or hedge this position so that they are safe, or even otherwise book their profits and wait for a good trade setup. Even if market tends to retrace up, there is a chance until this level of 18400 doesn't move above 18400 or 18385, because this level of 18370 is a very crucial level. So below this, we will still see the short side, and above this, there is a chance that price can retrace and move upwards. So depending on how market moves, supposing if price moves like this, then I'm sure we would see a downside. However, if price comes down, takes support, and then start moving up, we should see a upside. So we will see which side the market wants to go. Meanwhile, we would like to probably we can look at Bacon has been somehow moving up, on the upside. Sorry. However, what we see is it has become range bound at this level for quite some time, and also what we observe is the pattern which it is created. So if price retrace to 246, then start going down, then I would expect targets of 243 to 242, and somebody who's looking for long-term investment may get opportunities where he can add at 230 to 35. So, so the exact entry, I think we when this price of 247 or below, we should have probably bought puts yesterday. So even if the premium gets killed, we still, and if we are holding it as a BTST, even if premium gets killed, we would have still be in profit. So let us see. I have the stock option picks for Hinomoto. Uh, Hinomoto 2640 put above 13, then I'm looking at targets of 18 plus. And let me show you where price I'm expecting. 2612 is the next level where I'm expecting. Or if it moves above 2717, then the targets of 27848 and 2800 is open on the upside. Simpla 920 put, and once it moves, I think above 13.5, I'm looking at targets of 17 plus. Dr. Reddy's is slightly in the indecisive range. However, I think for 4,600 put above 116 can look at 130, 145 plus. Now it may try to it show some positive move, we would still watch and observe what's happening in the stock based on price action. Investment Bank, if 1220 moves about 24, then 30 plus is the target. Here in the option chain, we see 44,000 call writers are huge, and the 43,500 writers, both call and put, have exited their positions. So, very we're not sure whether this is a freak trade because put uh, put writers have increased and so there is a bit of support. PCR is at 3.47, so highly overbought is what we can see. And 44,000 these writers have built up yesterday, and the puts I think have exited here. Let's also look at the monthly, how it is placed. Monthly 43,000 writers are sitting, 44,000 call writers are again same type of a scenario, slightly only that the writing is yet to start, but 43,000 is 43,500 is the first support, and 43,000 is the next support, and 44,000 call writers are sitting there heavily in the monthly time frame. Uh, look at Nifty 18,300. We see call and put writers and a lot of writers here sitting on the call side. So they expect market to close uh, slightly negative. So they're confidently holding on to their positions. And if their short covering rally starts, there'll be some upside also, which we need to observe. I hope, friends, you have gone through the video which we have made yesterday. Uh, we made a simple strategy. We have created a video or shared a simple strategy where your positions, uh, even if you are investing, one is you are investing on good stocks. Number two, you are also hedging with buying gold piece. So good. I think you should observe this video, which is a good strategy for long term, and make use of it. Please do join our Telegram, and we would be sharing some of the views there. And if you want more services, please contact us on the numbers shared on the screen. So thank you. Now, if most of you would be thinking, earlier we said 46,000, and now suddenly we are looking slightly weak. Market cannot move one side just like this. It has to retrace back. It has to book profit. It has to uh, uh, and then it needs volatility. If everybody is just buying, then who is going to sell? So this is how market is. It traps the retailers most of the time and moves the market either side. So currently market looks slightly bearish. Maybe in a day or two, we should hopefully see some recovery and going down back to levels. HDFC Bank, I had mentioned, is creating a pattern which looks to fall. So I suggest not to add in for long positions. Let's wait for 1480 to 1440 and then start adding positions. However, it also can move up, but we already have few positions added. Let's wait and watch how it goes, whether it wants to move down or the big players start, you know, adding back their positions and take the market. Uh, do not rush. The moment now, the long-term perspective, we are bullish. You can make a sip for the same. And yesterday we were mentioning about crude because of the uh, lot of discussions. I think we also have bidden meeting Prime Minister G. Modi. Uh, I think let's open this. Yes. So we are one of the top exporters. Anyways, I think I missed that news. We are expecting huge volatility in crude. Of course, it is always volatile, but with the meeting of India and Biden, a lot of outcome can be. We need to watch closely how this visit of Mr. Prime Minister Modi to Washington, uh, helps in terms of economy, or would there be any new? So I think this is just a normal visit to strengthen the bond because there's been a lot of debate of India buying crude from Russia, uh, and media has been very strongly uh, uh, debating on why India is buying crude, or basically debating that US or European countries may question India's buying of crude. So this is just to, I think, we need to go through this in detail. However, this does not have may not have much impact on the market, but yes, it is definitely important as an Indian to know this. Anyways, I hope the calls what we shared have been helpful. We also look at India's cements uh, from, I think, a long-term perspective. Should be good to add for targets of 278. Uh, I think even if India Cement moves down to 170, could be a strong, good point to add. Also, what I can see here in the chart is it has broken out this, uh, what do you say, descending triangle or channel down, and then started going. So chances that it may retest 192 to 190 levels also, and then start the upside journey. So please do also add this stock if you would like to. uh, Escorts likely intraday view is bearish, and MRF as well looks to be bearish. So thanks for your time. Good luck and God bless you all. And take care. Bye bye. And happy profiting. I'm sure today most of the stop losses would have hit with this very range bound kind of a market, uh, especially I think in the middle of the day in Bank Nifty. So do trade with caution. Keep your stop loss. That's the only way you can reduce your losses, and the lesser losses, bigger profit is should be your aim to build your capital.